This is the correct way to save a rendered image. After you render it, by pressing F12, it takes a minute to render. After it's rendered like this, you need to save this image. So you're not saving the Blender file. You don't go up to File and Save, because that will save the file as with the rendered image sitting here, and that kind of messes it up. We don't want to do that. Instead, we want to come down to the Image menu and click Save as Image, or F3 is the shortcut. So F12 to render, F3 to save the image after it's rendered. So then you can pick your location, 3D graphics, your Blender file folder, or Blender files folder, or rendered images, and then give it a name, and then press enter, and then you can save as image. Once you've saved it, it brings you back to the rendered image, and then you should press escape on the keyboard back to the 3D view, and then you can go up to File and Save as a Blender file. So that gives you the Blender file saved and the rendered image.